Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back again with another video. I want to show you guys how to do something. By the topic you already know what I want to show you guys how to do, but I'm not the one doing it. A friend of mine, Beryl. So this is my friend. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Beryl Awudi.
So Beryl is about to show us how to bake cakes. Her cakes are the best. The best. So we want to show you, to take you through the process of how to bake cakes and how to decorate and all that. She sells her cakes at a very affordable price. So if you're around Kisumu or even outskirts, you can just holler her. I'll just write her number down there so that you can get her contacts, okay? So guys, stay tuned for the video how to make a cake. So guys, Beryl will take you through and show you all the ingredients and the requirements for making a cake. So Beryl, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Okay guys, we're going to start. Meanwhile, we have flour, we have blue band, we have sugar, then we have our eggs here, we have milk, we have our essence. You must do essence to make it to add flavor on it. So first of all, we are going to mix. We are going to add sugar and blue band together, then we are going to mix it.
And the measurements, do you need measurements?
Oh yeah, measurements. We do measurements. Like for example, if you want to do a 1 kg cake, you are going to use a measurement of a ratio of 2 to 1. Like if you use this cup of if you use this cup, this is 250 ml. For a 1 kg cake, you do 2 cups of flour, then 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of blue band or prestige or whatever you use.
Oh.
Yes, and then eggs, we do 4 eggs for a 1 kg cake.
And then milk?
Yeah, we do milk. Okay, we can't say that you're going to use what amount of milk, because as you add, you just add it until you get the texture that you want.
Oh.
So we can't use, like we say that you're going to use the 2 parts. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have our measuring scale. If you don't have the measuring cups, you can as well use the the weighing scale. Yes. So we're going to start our mixing. Now we are mixing. Now this is our blue band and our sugar. You can see how it looks like. This is how it is. But if you have energy, you can continue mixing. And then we are going to add our eggs.
So how many eggs are those?
These ones are 10 eggs.
Okay.
This is because I'm not going to do a 1 kg cake, but I'm going to do a 2.5 kg cake.
Okay.
Yes. Now this is our mixture. This is blue band plus sugar plus our eggs. Now we're going to add our flour. As you add flour, it is always good to sieve for aeration. We are sieving. As you can see, the sieving is not only for aeration, but also to remove the dirt that are in the flour. Our flours are not 100% clean, and you can see, as you can see, we have some of the dirt remaining on the silver.
Okay.
So we're not going to use our hand mixer first because this thing is very hard. So we're going to use our cooking stick to at least mix it first before we use our hand mixer. So this is it. You mix. So I'm adding milk, and you do it bit by bit. Don't forget that part. You do it bit by bit.
Why?
So that you don't put excess. Just put it bit by bit until you get the butter that you want. Don't just pour as if you're pouring things anyhow.
Okay.
You can see how it is, and we are still going to add milk. This is not it yet, so we add milk. Some people use water, but I don't want to use water. I want to give it for the best, so I just do milk alone. Now we're going to do our essence. This is lemon. I'm going to use lemon as my flavor, but I'm adding this vanilla to do away with the taste and the smell of eggs. So you put it. Now there is our vanilla. Then now I'm going to use our major flavor, which is lemon. So I will do 3 drops. We are almost done, so this is our final step. Our next step, we are going to use our baking tins. Here they are, our baking tin. This is for love. For those who are in love, you can do a love cake for your loved ones. Like today we are going to do one. We are going to decorate one for somebody. So this is half kg. Then this is 1 kg. And this one is also 1 kg. So this is a grease-proof paper. We do it to avoid your cake sticking on the tins. So you're going to cut them according to the shape of your tins. Okay. As you're cutting, you're going to put a mark on how you're going to cut.
Oh, so that paper is only put on the lower part of the tin.
Not on the lower only. You also put it sideways.
Oh.
Yes. We do the marking to give you easy time when cutting it. So here we are with our shapes. This is our love.
Dr. Love.
Dr. Love. After this, we're now going to cut. So we'll cut. Our next step, guys, is putting our butter into our tins. This is my butter inside the tin, and then I'm going to measure it. And it is exactly 1 kg. After your decoration, your cake should be around kg to 1.3 kg. We'll see about that as we'll be doing our decorations. Then I also do the cupcakes. These are my tins for the cupcakes. If you have a function, birthdays, small parties, maybe housewarming, you can engage me. I do you cupcakes, and they're also good for your children that are going to school. They can take them along to school. And now we are going to move to our last step, which is baking. Then we'll do our decorations later. So guys, we're going to do our baking. This is our oven. Inaitumia charcoal. It's the charcoal oven. This is how it is inside. You can see. Then tuko na moto yetu hapo ndani. It is going to preheat for 5 to 10 minutes. It operates just like the normal oven. It has a thermometer. It also has that. So we are not that behind. So while preheating, I normally put water to regulate heat inside. So that is what I'm going to do. That is my water. It is for regulating so that it doesn't get too much hot, for your cakes to be perfect, not to burn. So we close it.
Oh, you preheat it?
We preheat it. So that is our cakes inside. We'll see after 45 to 50 minutes our cake should be ready.